Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing this danby diffuser which I got from ABT. They just delivered it, so let's get started. I already started opening this, so just remove the belts. Now I'm going to open this. Okay, so this is the X-Acto knife, and this is the safe one where you can't really get cut from it, so that's a good thing. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of these. Now let's get rid of this thing. Okay, so this is the diffuser. One thing you have to make sure is that opening a box is very tricky, so you must check from the bottom if it's open from the bottom, just so you can slide it up. So you can slide it into like that. Okay, so this is the diffuser. The wiring is all over there, and the switch, I believe, is in the front. Yes. Okay, now we're going to get rid of the plastic. This is what it looks like. You have some safety guards here. Okay, so we're going to open it carefully. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's pretty cold. And it comes with a basket and a manual. So
it's got pretty room there, right?
yeah, there's a lot of room in it.
It's a pretty big room. It's got one basket here, right? I think this is the handle right here. Or yeah, it's still there, right?
Yeah, I believe so.
And
It also comes with the manual.
it's danby diploma. It's a pretty awesome, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's a nice one. It's nice. So what you said, you don't have to cut on bottom, right?
Well, we don't have to cut in the bottom, but sometimes you do.
Sometime you do.
Most of the time, I don't believe you have.
So what you did, you just pull this cover out, or?
First, I cut the box.
Okay.
Four flaps, and then I checked in the bottom if there is any covering, and then
And this-
there wasn't any, so I just
Just
slipped
pull
the
it.
box up.
Okay, and what is this on front? This is the drainer, right?
Yeah.
I think this is the on-off switch. Yeah, this
That's
is
the
your
front.
setting. And should be another.
There's another one right here.
Where? Okay.
Right there.
Oh, okay. This is the one, right? Okay. This is your drainer. Cool. And this is your wiring in the back. And there's your turtle, right? Okay, so thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe and like the video. Bye.
Thank you.